The WOLFBOX Rear Camera is an excellent upgrade for those using the G840S, G840H, G930, or G850 models, featuring a 20-foot original cable and significantly improved glare reduction. It boasts advanced wide dynamic range, high dynamic range, and super night vision capabilities, providing superior night vision by automatically balancing the light and dark areas in the video. With an IP68 rating, this rear camera is highly waterproof, making it reliable for use in rainy, snowy, foggy, or hot conditions. The camera is designed to withstand extreme temperatures, operating between -20 degrees to 70 degrees Celsius, and storing between -30 degrees to 80 degrees Celsius. Installation is straightforward and user-friendly, as it utilizes the same connector as the stock camera, requiring only manual screw tightening. WOLFBOX ensures high quality through strict inspections, making this camera a dependable choice for enhancing vehicle safety.